Civilization or Barbarism, an Authentic Anthropology by Dr. Cheikh Anta. Part 2. Laws Governing the Evolution of Societies, Motor of History and Societies of AMP and the Greek City-State. Clanic and Tribal Organization. Chapter 5. Clanic organization, in that it is founded on the taboo of incest, marks the beginning of civilization. The human being is no longer a simply biological animal. His sexual relations are henceforth dependent on very strict social regulations. The clan is also and above all a social organization whose purpose is to meet economic needs and to challenge nature. It is founded on a deliberate choice of unilateral type of kinship, patrilineal or matrilineal, according to the economic context of a private or collective type of ownership, of a mode of inheritance, etc. Therefore, at the moment of clanic formation, humanity already knew the respective roles of both spouses in the physical conception of the child. It had a clear notion of physical kinship, ownership of goods and inheritance, and the possible relationships between individuals. Clanic organization only socialized these notions for its convenience by giving them a particular structure and content that might correspond to the demands of this phase of human evolution. Hypotheses about the forms of human existence prior to the clan need not be dealt with here. Promiscuity, primitive communism, etc. Nevertheless, it is our opinion that clan and tribe were born simultaneously because, since clanic exogamy stems from the taboo of incest, clanic organization, in order to be viable, requires the existence of neighboring clans organized into villages or not, which by dint of contracting exogamic marriages end up becoming a monolingual tribe, a nationality. Thus, there exists a dialectical link between clan and tribe. The clan is merely a blood related extended family exclusively founded on either matrilineal or patrilineal kinship. It was to avoid consanguineous marriages that clanic and endogamy was prohibited, and that the clanic exogamy was established as a rule. The nuclear family, man, woman, children, thus preceded the clan, which sought only to regulate its development to the greatest advantage of the group. The clan, whether patrilineal or matrilineal, has always been a male creation to the exclusion of women. The same is true for all later forms of political and social human organizations, tribal confederations, monarchies, and republics. The man was the one who, in nomadic state in the Eurasian steppes, chose to organize the social cell on the basis of the patrilineal clan, supposedly the best possible form of adaptation to the physical environment. Likewise, in the African agricultural sedentary milieu, it was again the male who decided to found the matrilineal clan in order better to project the irreducibility of these two forms of adaptation to different environments. We will now, in brief review, compare their specific traits point by point, and we'll stop right there and continue back off with civilization or barbarism. I'm Uriel, highest heart.